Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Zara and confirming country and currency so prices and shipping match. Once signed in, enter your delivery address and preferred payment method. This speeds up later steps. Now browse with purpose, open the size guide and check stock for each item, then add selected pieces to your bag. Make sure to note return rules and any promotions. Keeping these details visible prevents surprises at payment. Once your bag looks right, tap Checkout to move forward without delay. Now complete the checkout form with accurate recipient name, full address, and phone so carriers can deliver. Next, pick a shipping option. Standard is cheaper, Express is faster, and watch the total update. Apply any promo codes or gift cards in the designated field, double-check VAT or tax adjustments. Then select your payment method. If using a card, make sure the billing address matches. Finally, scan through the final order summary line by line, and when everything lines up, confirm the purchase to place. After confirming payment, you receive an order confirmation email with an order number. Save it. Once the item ships, use the tracking link in the email to monitor progress and prepare for delivery. Keep ID or signature ready if required. If a problem occurs, such as a missing item or wrong size, contact Zara support immediately and provide the order number and photos when possible. For refunds or returns, follow the instructions in your account. Make sure to meet time limits so the process completes smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.